Hey, good day, fam. This is Tan. I'm just making a quick video in response to one of my viewers, uh, Young. If you're out there and you see this video, he had a question about how to access the headlight bulbs for the 2020 through 2022 Toyota Highlanders. He was mentioning he cannot find the dust cap on the back. And so I decided to just kind of take a look at my car. Obviously, with the different trim you have, the different wiring and the lighting setup is going to be different from an L trim to an XLE to a limited and platinum. So this is just what I see from a platinum headlight. The molding itself, I believe they're all going to be the same. It's just a matter of the different wiring structure. Like for example, I know with the limited and platinum, these daytime running light strip lights down here, we have those, whereas other trims may not have them. Also, the high intensity LED fog lights are included as well, where say the L trim may not have that. But to get to your question, Young, I don't believe that our Highlanders have dust caps. So I'm just looking straight back. This is where the projector headlight bulb is, right here. So if you just do a direct line straight back, it's going to put you right where this gray plastic cap is that's held in by these 3 screws. I believe once you remove that cap out, that will give you access to the headlight bulb. What bulb is in there exactly, I don't know. Since mine is already a high intensity LED bulbs in there, I'm not gonna mess around with that. But I just wanted to kind of make this video to show you what it looks like in my platinum. So take a look at yours. I don't think you'll see dust caps, like rubber dust caps on older models. You're gonna see this gray cap right here that I believe will give you access to the headlight bulb. Hopefully that helps. Peace.